All right, ladies and gents, check out this beautiful system I'm gonna get to do. These are some GB Audiofrog audio control, built-in DSP amplifier, JL Audio 501, and the audio control epicenter with a GS10. All right, guys, we're gonna get to work on this Honda Accord 2017. Oh, look at those awards. Really? Anyways, back to work. Let's go, people. All right, look at this. The car's in. We're gonna be doing some sound system. This thing's cool. It's getting the GB setup, remember? Cocho, are you gonna do this one?
Yeah, ya sabes.
Damn. All right, let's get to work, guys. This guy's a cool customer. He actually helped found us on YouTube and got recommended, so we're gonna take care of him. Everything in his vehicle is factory. We're just gonna get it to go sound better. Closer, man, closer. Look at these cables. Okay. What do you got done so far on the?
Todos los amigos de Audio System y pueblos vecinos, saludos.
What do you got done on the Honda? Tell them.
Le vamos a empezar a hacer una tabla, una madera, piece of board. Lo voy a mover, güey.
All right, so he's now gonna start building the wall that's gonna hold the amps. So look at all the cables right here. They're in here. We're gonna put that so we can have the. That's gonna be so we can mount the amplifiers. So all those amps will go in there. So we have the DSP built-in audio control along with the JL Audio and the epicenter. All that's gonna go behind that wall.
quieres, cabrón?
Alright, so there is the clean wire stage. Coach just finished that. You guys saw it on the time lapse. I like it. Looks cool. Dun, 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 dun. Good job, Coach.
Thank you, Anthony.
As you can see, he's kind of aiming it towards him right there. Okay. Trying to figure out how's it gonna sit, you know? We'll be back for him later. Okay. These are the GB15s. These ones kind of cross over. Like, you're not gonna do a three-way, so you can get these so you can cross over, get better sound. He's putting them in the sails. We have to customize them because they're obviously way too big to fit in there. So I asked him if he has a method of how he's gonna do this. He said no. He cut the circle, and now he has to see how he has to make it fit and how he's gonna repair it. So you broke it to see how you're gonna fix it.
Just gonna put it like this. Put some hot glue right here.
Yeah. And then what? Say you're from stereo?
Yeah.
Woo! I'm gonna have to bleep it out. Okay, it's day 2. Coach is gonna start the sound deadening process, and we're gonna be installing the speakers. So here we go, GB60s. Now the 60s are a very big speaker, so they require sound deadening treatment. You'll get better sound if you're deadening the doors, so it's always good to do that. Okay, guys? Okay. Dang, look at the door now. See how closed off it is? Chingón, oh, cocho. All right, I like that, bingo. Now the door is solid. Listen to this one. Nothing. And now let's go check out this door. It's like a wall. It's like a wall, man. All right, we'll let him finish up. Still has one more door to do. And we're done. Bam, check this out. So they made this sail right here. This took a long time to make, but we made this so we could fit the tweeters, and then they sit down and they aim towards your head, you know, so you get better sound. So they're gonna wrap those up. That's the last thing we need to do, and then it's game over. You guys saw them do the doors. They sound deadened them already. That's a beauty. We finished clean wire, right? So that's all done. The subwoofer box, I believe, is ready. Damn, look at that box though. Pretty cool. Covers up the amp rack. Yeah, so that's it. All right, now we're in the second term. They already did this twice. This is the second time. Now it's gonna be better, right, Cocho?
A huevo.
You started in the morning. When I was recording, it was daylight, bro. It's now nighttime, and you're ready to get the upholstery done. All right, some more adjustments with a beautiful Audiofrog speaker. Making some more adjustments so it can fit. Finishing the upholstery. Alright people, the Honda's done. Check it out. That's the tweeters. They were able to put them right there. They're now facing straight at your face. So we're gonna give a music. We're gonna listen to it, see how it sounds, and give you guys the sound demo. Alright, here we go.
24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Oh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. Cause when you...
Dang, that sounds really good. Let me see if I can get another one. Here's this one. Let's see how this one's. So that sounds good. Now I'm gonna play a song on the Netflix on this one, but you're gonna have to bear with me because remember, only 45 seconds, or only 10 seconds. I mean. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That was a Honda Accord. That thing was sick, man. I liked the tweeter. That thing was massive. It was like, I don't know, size of a tennis ball. But yeah, that thing was dope. Man, that was my amigo Emilio. Appreciate him coming through. You need to stop back. It's already been 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You need to stop in so I can do my final tune for you. Yeah, that was cool. That was a little Clean Wire Club action, which I got another one coming for you. So if you guys follow me, we did a Genesis. Right now, as we speak, that car is here. It's gonna get finished. It'll probably be a few weeks before I let that video go, but that was gonna be dope. This one was fun. This Honda Accord, it was a really cool build. Like, I like the way they put the amps there. They did the box, and then they put that piece of wood between it so it doesn't like vibrate the amps. They just had like, it was just cool. It's just like a simple build. This is a really budget build. I mean, the amps he had were very good. The speakers, the Audiofrogs are badass. Anything else I would say if I could do is add the three-way in the front and add an additional amplifier so we can get that three-way set up in the front. But this is good, man. This is really good. If you guys have any questions, comment, like, and subscribe. You know the deal. Follow our Instagram for more pictures of the builds that if you guys like, or follow us on TikTok. We got a lot of footage there. So we got all kinds of platforms. If you like into those platforms, let me know. And appreciate you guys watching. Thanks, guys.